Perfect size for the family. With 6 generously sized cavities, this pan will make just the right number of servings. Enjoy warm muffins, cupcakes and breakfast cups right out of the oven. Muffins and so much more. Cupcakes, pizza muffins, shredded potato egg baskets, sloppy Joe bites, and mini breakfast soufflés. The possibilities are endless. Steel construction. This bakeware is built with all the right qualities for great baking results. Whether baking a cake for a loved one's special day or just for yourself, you can depend on this quality pan. Non-stick surface. The coating provides quick release and easy cleanup. Whether you want to make your favorite muffins, hash brown cups, broccoli frittatas, poached eggs or baked brie cups, this pan will serve you well as you serve your guests. Everyone, everywhere, every day, innovative products. Mouthwatering inspiration. Fun in the kitchen. This has been at the heart of what we do for nearly 90 years. Whether you're hosting a party or need to bring a special treat, Wilton has you covered. The ideal size for morning muffins and after-school cupcakes. Enjoy warm homemade muffins right out of your oven, cupcakes, roasted veggies, shredded potato egg cups and more. RecipeRite is constructed of sturdy steel that provides an even heating performance for the perfect bake time after time. The non-stick coating makes food release and cleanup a breeze. Wilton helps families celebrate. We inspire the joy of creativity in everyone, everywhere, every day. Since 1929, Wilton has been helping home bakers and cake decorators all over the world create sweet treats and beautiful desserts by giving them the tools to make it fun and easy. The Wilton name is known around the world for cake decorating, candy making, bakeware and party products. At Wilton, we're passionate about bringing the love of baking and decorating to every consumer. Top reviews from the United States. Perfection. Another winner from Wilton. I needed a mini cupcake pan, giddy up quick, so found this on Amazon. Checked all my boxes, especially the one I call simple. It's a great weight, did not buckle in the oven, and as I used mini paper liners, nothing stuck. I'd say off the bat, dependable and will last longer than I will. It was well packaged and arrived in pristine condition. I made lemon curd cupcakes, soaked with limoncello, and then topped with sweetened fresh whipped cream at service. 3 clustered with a few blueberries and mint sprigs artfully arranged on a dessert plate. Heaven.